Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. Today we'll continue the development of the update synchronized bash history, which is which will work sort of like cloud bash history. And so today we'll work on either client, or I will probably work on some first version of client because it would be more fun to have some actual data in the application. As usual, I'm going to keep chat on the side, and as usual, I'm still with 3 services. Let's go. Yeah, let me open it here and here. Okay, I hope sound works. Test. It works here. Works here. Okay, so let's go. Basically, yesterday we have implemented this authentication, some sort of nice index page, which isn't entirely nice. It can be better, but logging in, logging out works. There is some simple profile. There is API key. What else? Yeah, it works nicely. So today we should probably implement making and unmaking comments public and private. What's next? Yeah, and probably some sort of client. So what should we begin with? Yeah, by the way, if anyone has a problem with bandwidth, here is like mirror for people with bandwidth connections. So I guess let's start by adding some niceness here. Let's make some comments public. Let's make some comments private. And then let's work on client. Or maybe we should do it in the opposite order. Okay, let's actually start by working on the client. I think we can implement something really simple in a couple, like in a half an hour. So what the hell? Yeah, let's keep this on the side. So basically, what do we need? We need to upload bash comments one by one, and there was some sort of project that did exactly this. Well, yeah, I guess it's. Yeah, I found it. And they had some sort of client, and yesterday I looked at how this client works, and I think that it may not be ideal, but it's not bad. So it looks kind of complicated. I mean, it looks like it's possible to launch something like that in a much more simple fashion. So here's what we need to append to .bashrc or bash profile. Yeah, so basically you do this opt -n hist append. And yeah, that is a prompt comment, which is, I think it's a comment that sets prompt, or at least it affects prompt, and here it is used in unusual way. Let's check it. Yeah, it says it sets yeah, if set the value is interpreted as a comment to execute before the printing of each primary prompt. And I think it can, maybe this comment can change prompts, so basically it's a nice comment. Last comment. And I think it's just, okay, basically let's do some testing. I feel like we can, instead of writing the whole history, we can just write a single comment, which would be better, a lot better than write a whole history. And yeah, let's write just one comment and let's upload it to the server. But first, do I need a new user? Maybe I should add a new user. Let me add a new user for technical purposes. So I hope Mark has user add or add user. I can't remember which one is which. Test user. Okay. And what the fuck? There is no user add. How do I add a new user? I just want to add a Unix user. I don't want to. Yeah, but that's what I wanted to do. Group add and user add are Linux isms. Okay. Oh yeah, it looks unnecessarily complicated. I mean, why is there no just maybe I guess I should have thought about this before stream. Maybe I can just clean my own bash history. So I kind of feel like there are some secret stuff. Yeah. So I guess I will just clean my own history. Let me do it real quick. Um, Okay, I'm back. Actually, I end. What the hell? I mean, what's the weird effect on the webcam? Let me fix it. Yeah, it was a light source. Like, okay. So my plan, actually, I decided to just move Bash history into a safe place, and now there is no information in Bash history, which is great. And let's actually try. Let's actually try implementing something. Um, I guess we can try export prompt comment and see how it affects everything. Command, let's do simply echo test. Hi, someone who's watching me on Twitch. Welcome to the stream. Okay, echo test. Right, prompt. Let's see. Okay, so basically it executes a command every time you do something. Like every time I do ls, every time I do clear. I don't know. Cat. I don't know. I'm not going to do cat. So let's just why not do cat bash history? And it's empty. And this test isn't a part of bash history. It's a part of this command. So let's make it output the last command, which is probably possible. Okay, let's do that. So we do clear, and it prints clear. Okay, let's try doing something new. Let's do ls slash, and it printed the previous comment. Right, it's clear. Let's now do clear. What the hell? Did it print clear? I don't know how it works. Oh, wait a second. Maybe we can't use these shortcuts. We probably can't use exclamation mark in the prompt. Although maybe we can. Okay, let me test it. Basically, let's escape it. Let's see what happens if we escape it. Maybe we can. It's just the problem here is where it is. So when we type this, it actually becomes the whole thing becomes export prompt comment echo clear. So it substitutes this comment with the previous comment, right? But we actually need to keep this. We probably need to keep echo did this. So let's see. Maybe it won't work. Again, let's test it. Yeah, it just prints. It just prints 2 exclamation marks. This sucks. Let's try to figure out. Prompt comments. Last comment. Yeah, comment prompt repeat last comment. Maybe it looks like some people needed this for some reason. F3, no, it's the DOS. I don't want to. What the hell? No, I don't want to use DOS. Bash prompt command last comment. We're saving the last bash input command, which is probably what we need. Let's try history 1. What happens if we do history 1? Okay, let's try clear history 1. So history 1 prints. What the fuck? Yeah, okay. I think they mentioned this. So it prints itself. Okay, let's clear history 1. So it prints itself. Okay, let's try history 3. Alright, at least we can combine history and up and do something like that. Or maybe we can just do this. Head -1. History 2, head -1. Okay. Export from comment equals to history 2 head -1. Okay. Okay, let's do clear. Let's do clear. Okay, it prints the last comment. Let's do this. Comment not found. Yes, makes sense. I mean, it just prints the last comment, which I think is great. So before it creates a new prompt, it prints the last comment. Exactly what we need. So although we need to somehow, what does FC do? Oops. Okay, FC minus NL -1. Okay. Hey, maybe I should use this. I don't know. Anyway, so there is a way to you to get the last comment, and it works. So what do we need to do now? Let's actually write some code that actually posts something, right? Post something on my profile. Shouldn't be all that difficult. Yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, let me start that. I mean, nice project. They have this figured out. That's great. That's totally amazing. Wow, 3 people watching on Twitch. Hi Twitch people. So let's just try posting the last bash comment here, and I'm going to show my API key. And of course, sometimes it's necessary to regenerate it, and I'm not going to add this functionality right now, but later in the stream we are going to add this. What's now? I forgot how to do posts using curl. I think I remember something like curl minus data, something like API key equals to this, and command equals to, well, something. So let's try it. Let's just command equals to. I'm wondering how this is going to work, because maybe we need to escape all this shit. This sucks. Yeah, maybe we probably need to escape this. Oh boy. Okay, let's figure it out later. And right now, let's just print the last comment, and let's try to send it. Let's see how it works. No URL specified. Oh yes, yeah. Of course, we need to specify URL. Yeah. Where is it? Okay. URL, and URL is something like API/win0/my username /add comment. So let's see. If 404 not found, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. We have up.py, and we have add comment thing. API/v0. Oh, okay. API/v0 slash user slash username. Bad request. Okay, cool. Nothing here. Curl minus data. Yeah, how do I escape this? Oh, that sounds like what we need. Let's try or code, which well didn't work. Okay, the browser or proxy sent request that this server could not understand. Maybe because it's okay API key. Oh, command text. Let's try command text. Again, let's not bother with encoding yet. It said okay. Let's see what we have. We have now in his scene. What the fuck? Oh, makes sense. We need to specify double quotes instead of single quotes because single quotes prevents expansion of this thing. So let's try it. Again, it says I don't think that it was the last comment. So clearly we have an issue with quotes, and it's clear that we need to escape the data. And maybe we just need to send a JSON or something like that. And say bad request. Okay, how do normal people design API? Honestly, I have no idea. I think it would make sense if we send a JSON, but at the same time we are going to have the same problem. Maybe just write the client in Python. So damn client. Yeah, I kind of feel like it's necessary to write it in Python. Yeah. Python is a great language. Or Bash. I don't like this answers at all. Let's just write the client in C++. Oh, sorry, a client in Python. What the hell was it? What I was thinking. Client.py. On the other hand, okay, let's write our client in Python for now, and later maybe we will figure out how to use it with spaces. Let's import requests. So let's maybe add some configuration. Username is going to be, well, my username. Actually, no. Yes. Okay. Let's write a really simple script for now. So username is going to be my username, and API key is going to be a hard-coded API key, which I'm going to show you. Okay, and let's add some spaces for formatting. Let's put import after before the settings. And here let's do a request. Request post. And I don't remember how to make post requests. Well, they have a paid version. Oh, okay, nice. And okay, we have payload here. So payload is going to be user. Oh no, not user. API key, which is going to be set to API key, and common text. Common text is something they're going to extract from command line. Actually, the zeroth argument is just program's name, so we need the first argument. Let's add assertion here. So let's create a URL. And let's make a request here. And basically, let's do this. Let's write for status. Let's throw an exception when there is a non-zero return code. I think it makes sense because we're just starting the development, and we need a quick and dirty way of reporting mistakes and errors. Oh. And by the way, we need to encode this. Python will encode. So we quote everything here. And let's see how this works. Let's basically try launching this client. Command not found. Okay. Client.py. There is no been any. It's user bin. Wow, maybe I'm wrong. I always thought it is in bin/n. Okay, let's try basically sending something. Test comment. Type error not available leads non-string seconds from mapping object. Okay, maybe the request library does this for us. Let's see the documentation. There are many times that you want to send data that is not format coded. If you pass in a string instead of a dict, the data will be posted directly. Okay, so it does all the encoding for us, and well, that's amazing. So okay, it says bad request. I don't know how to debug this except by launching a development server here. Okay, now I can modify client.py for accepting the. So we can modify it so it sends a request to localhost instead of here local. Okay, again bad request. What the hell? Now it says nothing. Oh. Okay, at least it returns something. Let's try doing this. Let's make sure every parameter is parsed correctly. So we do this. So we basically do this, and let's just print everything. And the rest throw an exception. Okay. It says bad request. Oh. Request form common text request form API key. Immutable multi-dict. So it says that there is no form data. Basically, let's see how Flask handles form encoded data. Actually, let me do this real quick. Let's actually use Netcat. Let's open it on port 500, 5000, and let's do a test request. And it doesn't look like to me that there is all the necessary data. Maybe we are not sending the data. Oh, damn it. I forgot to add a data equals payload. Yes, it's data equals payload. So this isn't surprising. Okay, let's see how it works. Actually, let's try it on a production server. Well, not production. Let's try it on the development server, and then let's try it on production server. If it works on here, maybe it works. So apparently it returned 200, and I guess it's time to test it on production server. Right? Yes. Okay. And I think that it's available now. Where is it? Yeah, there's test command now. Let's add test command 2. And again, there is test command 2, so we can now test it on an actual prompt. Okay, let's add a full path to it. Actually, let me test something. I'm wondering how is this saved. I mean, what will be returned here? Oops. FC minus an L. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, it looks like this thing is expanded. Maybe it's possible to save it not as expanded thing. Damn it. Okay. Maybe later. Let's just try actual prompt comment. Oops. But that was a horrible idea. I mean, what the fuck? I accidentally launched the Vim. Okay, stop that. Okay. Damn it. And I think it's dead. Oh, hi. I'm trying to debug my sort of alpha version of the client, and well, I fucked up my terminal, which sucks. So right now I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. And it no longer works. Okay, let's kill it. And set history to not longer write history, and okay, history. Okay, burn it all down and start over. That's what I did exactly. Trying to kill it. Kill it with fire. So there is client. Actually, let's just prompt command. Again, users me client.py this, and let me copy and paste this. Now I'm going to just copy and paste the whole thing. Maybe I don't know. Let's look at that. I have C minus NL minus 1. So it's just, yeah, let's just copy and paste it. So now let's do some testing. Let's do clear. It kind of works slow. It's no idea why. I mean, I have an idea. It probably doesn't launch the prompt until the command is executed, so it uploads it synchronously. Yeah, it's somewhat slow. I think it's. But look at that. It sort of works. It sort of uploads everything, and it uploaded this here. So it kind of works, which is really nice. Oh. Let's just commit the client. I feel like it's. Let's actually move it. Let's see what happens when we move it. Just sync. What did I modify here? Oh, okay. Let's remove that. Now, what are we going to do? Okay, I was going to add how to launch client. failure of client implementation. Now let's push it. It's really nice. Okay, I need to go away from keyboard for a couple of minutes. I will be back soon. Okay, I'm back. So let's continue. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. So this test client sort of works. There are many issues with it, but it works, and it's very likely that I will start testing it somewhere today, because I'd like to finally start testing this this app. Although I don't have that, I don't use that advanced bash features all that much lately. Anyway, I'd like to start using it, and I'd like to see what kind of commands I use. Maybe calculate some statistics. Whatever. Okay. So this means that we should make everything private by default. It's very likely that there are different keys, like API keys from Heroku in my bash history. So I don't want to upload them. And yeah, so let's make everything private by default. So we have command, class command, but at the same time we need an ability. We need to add some sort of a button that makes command public. So something like that. DB column, DB boolean. DB column. Oh, actually, let's add default here. Default equals to false. Right? It's public. Is false by default. And next thing that we need to add is profiles. I mean, not to add profiles, just add this column to profile. And again, the profile is going to look probably very differently in the end. Or maybe not just all that much differently, but there are going to be multiple tables, like one table for private comments, one table for public comments, one table for started or liked comments from that other people uploaded, and so on. So let's make it. Let's add flag here, and is public. Actually, it's kind of dangerous to develop this application because there's always fear. What the hell? Oh, it's Heroku. Let's so I always have this fear that I will unintentionally show everything on the screen. Oh, too much video artifacts. What do you mean? Do you mean that that I should increase my bitrate? I think I decreased bitrate yesterday for some reason. Probably because someone was having issues. Yeah, increased from 2. Okay. You're welcome. So let's make everything public. Sorry, not. Let's make everything non-public by default, and let's see how profiles looks like now. Didn't work. Oh, this is because we need to add a migration. Let's migrate stream went to total sheet. What do you mean? So you have Someone has okay. So, what do you mean by total shit? Like, isn't the quality, isn't the technical quality is bad now? Oh, okay. So, I was worried that your bandwidth is too low, and so yeah, that's what I was worried about because if I remember correctly, someone had low bandwidth yesterday, and he or she had issues with viewing the stream. So that's why I'm asking. Maybe there are technical issues. I just increased the bitrate twofold. So everything should be, yeah, migrations. Yeah, let's migrate it. db migrate. So we take this. Oops. And let's do upgrade. What does it look like now? It's public null, which means that it is null. And it is null because previous rows didn't have its public flag, so now they have. So basically now they have nulls instead of its public. Let's try. Oh. Yeah, okay, so it fails to run client. So heatsink. Oops. Okay, as you can see, there are some issues with prompts. And it says no. What the fuck? It obviously should. Oh, it's because I haven't pushed the code to Heroku. So let's just commit everything and add this public flag. Let's push it to GitHub, and it's going to be automatically deployed. I'm wondering how to check this now, if it's deployed. Let's see. Let's just go to Heroku and let's see. Yeah. Let's see the deploy tab. Here we can find the deployment history. Oh no, wait a second. It's activity tab. So build in progress. So it just detected a new commit on GitHub and it started to build the application. I think it will be live shortly. Maybe I should refresh it. Maybe the building process. Oh, it's said deployed. Let's see. Right, nothing changed here, and that is expected. But let's add some new comments here. Basically, let's do something like Heroku logs, tail, not specified, use artist, sync. And let's see what's going on here. And it says clear isn't public. It says that Heroku logs pipetail isn't public. Let's wait for another one. For some reason, means his sync wasn't uploaded. Why the hell? This is actually surprising. I don't know. I mean, let's try one more time. Okay. Okay, now there is, looks like there are some issues with uploading comments. I wonder if it's some sort of race condition. I mean, maybe it's necessary to, or maybe not. I don't know. I don't think there is a race condition. Maybe it just failed to make a request, but Alright, let's do this. Let's try clear. Let's try the Heroku log. His sync. See. Was it able to? Okay, there is no proper sorting. Oh no! Oh, wait a second. Why the hell? So Zurich looks okay. Let's just try this. Echo 1, Echo 1, Echo 2, Echo 3, 4, 5, 6, Echo 7, Echo 8, Echo 9, 10, Echo 11, Echo 12. Let's see what's going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where's 12? Yeah, there was no 12. Okay, let's try Echo 13. Okay, now there is Echo 12. Okay, maybe. And there was like multiple Echo 12s. Oh, so basically every time we like press Ctrl C, it tries to upload something. And sometimes it prints this text trace. So the current client is very alpha stage. So I guess it would be great to generate some sort of ID here, or maybe just check. That's actually an interesting thing. We need some sort of unique ID here. Maybe there is some sort of ID in Bash history, but I don't know. So this thing isn't simple. Let's try echo 13. Okay, now there is echo 13. Echo 14. Now there is another echo 13. What the hell? Okay, echo 15. Now there is echo 14. Okay. So now echo 16 should be uploaded. No, so it's been uploaded with a delay. Okay, let's try what happens if we do -0. So let's try this. Echo 17, echo 18, echo 19. Maybe we need to wait. I don't know. Grab client. No, there is no client. Okay, so now there is echo 19, right? And at the same time there is PS. Oh. Okay, yeah. Echo 12, and now there is going to be 20. Wait a second. So now there is going to be clear com. Okay, let's see. Let's refresh it. Yes, the clear com. So it has been uploaded not after the command execution, but after some other point. Let's try history 1. Let's do clear. Let's try echo 13. Okay, it sort of works. Echo 31. And now it's being uploaded instantaneously. Echo lol. Okay, so it sort of works, but it prints this ugly. Well, they aren't exactly ugly, but we probably should remove them. Let's use AWK or AWK for that. I want to know what characters are used for printing here. 20, 20, 20. 20 is just a space. 20, 20. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just try. No, I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't bother with parsing it here. So let's just leave it like that. Although there is cut function, man cut. Let's try cut minus F1. Echo 42. Yeah, it didn't work. This is because backtick should be placed here. Let's try echo 43, echo 44. Let's see. Didn't work. What the fuck? Honestly, I don't know how to use this command. I always use arc, which is really amazing, but here I don't want to figure out how to basically there is single quotes and there are double quotes, and I don't think I can magically use any other types of quotes. Maybe I just can. Okay, let me try it. Maybe I can just escape them like that. No, it doesn't work. Escaping single quotes doesn't work simply, and it's actually a pretty painful thing. Okay, let's just leave it. Or maybe there is. It's not difficult to disable printing. Printing the numbers. History. Don't print numbers. Yes. Cut mine. Okay, someone figured out how to use cut here. So let's just use it here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it works. Echo 48. And what was the number? Okay, now it works. Well, sort of. Okay, now let's do this. Let's try the simple thing. Now let's refactor this into a function. Let's call it add API key if necessary, and let's just post it here. Yeah, of course we need to replace user with self here, and the next thing to do is let's do this. If current user equals to user, we are going to do this. Comments is going to be equal to user comments. Else comments will be equal to user.comments filtered by is private equals to false. So let's replace user.comments here with the new variable comments, and let's see if it changes anything. Well, it should. No property is private. Oh, damn it! It's called this public. It's public equals to true. No public comments. Okay, let's make one of the comments public. To do that, I'm going to launch a shell from app import everything. And let's do this. User query, no, oh wait a second. Comment query filtered by how do I filter my comments? Actually, wait a second. Let's get my user. Let's get me here. Status. No. Comments. First is public equals to true. And let's commit the change. So it becomes visible in the database. Yeah, and it's just some simple testing comment. It's boring, but it demonstrates that the code works. Let's try deploying. Don't show private comments to other people. Well, I think I should test. This branch, but I'm just going to test it in production because production isn't really production yet. It's just some development app on Heroku. So I'm logged in here, and we need to wait. Let's see. And it says deployed less than a minute ago, and I guess they should change something. Okay, this page should stay the same because I'm still logged in. Because there is logout button here. Let's click it. Let's see what's going on. Let's see profile. Yeah, and it works. Okay. So now we need to figure out how to not upload multiple comments twice. If you have good ideas, please let me know. I will also read about this. But for now, I think I will end the stream now. There will be another stream, my sort of C++ course in 1 hour. So I will return in 1 hour with the C++ course stream. And yeah, now I'm in the Python stream now. Damn it, I said now twice. Okay, so the Python stream is over. If you could let me know if you have questions, I will return with the C++ course stream in 1 hour. So yeah. And I'll wait for a couple minutes. Let me know if you have questions. 10 viewers. Nice. Okay, I'm ending this stream, but I will be back with a different stream in 1 hour. I just wanted in C++ course. What do you mean? The course will begin, the C++ course stream will begin. Okay, it will begin according to the schedule in 1 hour. And meanwhile, I'm going to prepare for it. I'm going to read a bit about SFML and how to do something like one key down. And I will going to talk a bit about classes. So let me know if you have questions about C++ classes, because I will talk about them in the beginning and do some demos. So I will return in 1 hour. So yeah. Meanwhile, I will hang out here. I will also be, hang out in this chat. And I will also be on chat in Watch People Code channel IRC Free Node Net. So yeah, see you in 1 hour. Thank you very much for watching this stream. It was fun to do this. So right now we have something like an alpha stage application. It is usable on its own, but it's very alpha. Like there are multiple issues. So I'm going to test drive it probably for the next. But probably I will start testing it after the stream. So yeah. Well, not after this stream, but after the C++ stream. What's in the agenda on C++? Classes in C++. I actually don't know how, well, to explain them. I don't know. I guess I will talk a bit about inheritance, a bit about public, protected, private. I probably won't talk about virtual functions. Although maybe I will. I haven't decided. The problem here is I don't want to talk about feature, and I don't want to just to talk about it and forget. I want to immediately use the explained feature in the live stream, because, well, I'd like to show you how they are actually used in the file. So then Tetris refactoring using classes, and possibly adding some nice SFML timing logic. So yeah, can I please prepare your questions about C++, classes? I'm kind of a noob teacher, so I don't know how to, I don't know what level of explanation should I provide, so it would be much better if you just ask me questions and I would answer them. But I will also do some cool demos. I will also talk about inheritance and how classes are used. So I will put effort into it. I decided to, I don't know, let me know if you should I do slides? Should I prepare slides? Or should I just do demos? Actually, let me know about that. Of course. Well, I don't know. I would rather do some demonstrations. I don't know. I have no idea. The response. Okay, well, let's have a poll. Okay, slides plus demos, or just slides. Just demos. Let me know. That's. Oh, C++ course. Begin with. Should it begin with? Well, I don't mind making some slides. The course is 1 hour, so I won't be able to make some fancy slides, but I probably will be able to put some nice points, some sort of nice summary about what's possible in C++. I don't know, because I never really thought about how this course, well, I tried to think about this course structure, but my mind is blank. I don't know what you guys would like to learn. So because there are multiple levels of explanation. So for example, if you know how Java classes work, you should probably understand how C++ classes work almost immediately. There are some crucial differences, but for example, comparing Java classes to C++ classes is a lot more simpler than explaining classes to someone who never used classes in any other language. So I guess I could create a poll. Actually, I'm going to create a poll today about about slides. Please vote. Please vote on slides plus demos. I mean, if you like you watching me going over slides, I will be happy to prepare them. I just don't know if you guys find it fun. Okay, so 1 hour in one. Slices? What are slices? Slides. What are slices? I don't know what are slices. I mean, there are slices. Yeah, that's what I thought. I mean, maybe they're boring, but I could prepare some short version. What are slices? I mean, okay, so what are slices? I mean, I don't understand. What are slices at school? Oh, slices of bread. Python slices. Oh, okay, makes sense. Well, slices on Python is a really cool feature. Oh, so okay, makes sense. I guess I will prepare some slices of bread for myself. Okay, I just created a poll, so please vote. I guess my accent doesn't help here. So, let me think. Slides plus demos. Okay, there are 2 votes. Again, I don't plan that the whole session will be just about slides, but I could put some sort of summary or some sort of high-level points about C++ classes. Yeah, so I don't know. I guess I could do it. Okay, so I made another stream now. Actually, if someone on Twitch wants to vote, or there is someone, hi, Kimmer, I can just look at this list of viewers and just see that there's someone who's actually watching. So I will return in 1 hour, so please vote. Please vote. I'll be back in 1 hour with the sort of C++ course session. Yeah, now okay, so bye. Please vote.